The title is Fiducia Supplicans. It is about blessing. And if you read the document, it is about saying that priests can bless same-sex couples and can bless also those couples who are in irregular situations, can bless them. And when that declaration came out, immediately there was a lot of negative criticism, from many corners of the world, even from bishops and even some cardinals. And some were even saying, oh, the Pope is a radical. He's changing the teachings of the church and the scriptures. Actually, the Pope is not changing anything. He's not saying, when he says that you can bless same-sex couples, he's not saying there, if you read the document very clearly, the church is still condemning, like same-sex marriage, homosexuality, and other things. The church condemns sin. But that declaration is about showing mercy and compassion towards sinners. We can bless them. The church can bless anybody, even sinners, even those who are excommunicated from the church. He can bless because the church is a church of mercy and compassion. We just don't go and condemn and judge people. We save. Jesus said, I came not to condemn, but to save, to heal. So, what I'm saying here is, sometimes there are people who misunderstand, who misunderstand the teachings of the church. And one of the problems is because they did not read the document closely and clearly enough. But they just react. So, what is this for us? First of all, we should have a great respect for all the commandments of God. We have to keep them. We don't change them. Even out of compassion or mercy for people, we don't say that what is sin is all right. No. That's why Jesus says here, whoever breaks one of the least of these commandments and teaches others to do so will be called least in the kingdom of heaven. But whoever obeys and teaches these commandments will be called greatest in the kingdom of heaven. Jesus wants us to follow the commandments, but we just don't go condemning, because mercy and compassion is also one of them. Actually, the most important commandment of God is love. We condemn sin, but we love and show mercy to the sinner. Jesus came to save sinners. But to save sinners doesn't mean we just allow them to do whatever they think is right, even though it is sinful. But we have to show compassion, a lot of understanding, and we should pray for them. Show love. The greatest commandment is love.